To be. To exist or to have a certain characteristic. She is a talented artist. To wake up. To cease sleeping and become conscious. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. To sleep. To be in a state of rest with reduced consciousness. The baby is sleeping soundly. To work. To do something for pay or to achieve a goal. He works as a doctor. To drive. To operate a motor vehicle. She drives a red car. To buy. To acquire something by paying money for it. I bought a new book yesterday. To sell. To give something to someone in exchange for money. We are selling our old furniture. To read. To look at written words and understand their meaning. I enjoy reading novels. To write. To put down information using letters or symbols. She is writing a letter to her friend. To play. To engage in an activity for enjoyment or recreation. The children are playing in the park. To pay. To give money to someone in exchange for something. I need to pay the rent. To rest. To take a break from activity in order to relax and regain energy. Let's rest for a while before continuing our hike. To wash. To clean something with water and soap or detergent. I need to wash the dishes. To drink. To swallow a liquid. I'm thirsty, I need to drink some water. To cook. To prepare food by heating it. She loves to cook Italian food. To eat. To put food into your mouth, chew it, and swallow it. We are going to eat dinner soon. To have. To eat or drink something. Would you like to have some coffee with me? To make. To create something. She made a beautiful cake for the party. To wear. To put on clothes or other items for your body. He is wearing a blue shirt. To clean. To remove dirt, dust, or other unwanted substances from something. I need to clean the bathroom. To think. To consider something carefully in your mind. She is thinking about going on vacation. To take. To bring or move something with you. Can you take out the trash? To stand. To be upright on your feet. Please stand up when the teacher enters. To speak. To communicate using spoken words. He can speak 3 languages. To spell. To use letters in the correct order to write a word. Can you spell Mississippi? To dislike. To not like something. I dislike spicy food. To add. To put something more with something else. Please add some milk to the coffee. To call. To telephone someone. I need to call my mom. To create. To bring something new into existence. The artist created a beautiful painting. To cut. To divide something with a sharp tool. Can you cut the hair?
Remember, the key to mastering these words is practice, practice, practice. Don't forget to like this video and follow my channel for more engaging English lessons with pictures. Until next time, happy learning!